fam, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be talking about lightening and brightening face creams. Now this particular set of face creams I'm going to talk to you about today, they are face creams that will help to lighten dark spots, reduce hyperpigmentation, reduce redness on your face, reduce face sensitivity. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you particular ones that do particular things that they do. All of the products I'm going to tell you about today, they are very gentle products for your face, so it can be used by anybody, like any age. Do you get? Younger, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50 thereabout. Okay, so it is a face cream safe for everybody to use. It is not sharp result face cream. These are face creams that will take their time to repair your face, stabilize your face, lighten any dark spots, any pigmentation, or any sensitivity you have on your face due to bad products you have used in the past. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you everything about them. I'm also going to be placing the prices of this particular face creams, the ones I'm going to be mentioning to you today. So yeah, that's what we're talking about today. And I want to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers, to my old subscribers. Thank you all for the comments, thank you all for the likes, for the shares, for everything. And I want to give a special shout out to Keme Juliet, watching me from Jos. Now if you want me to give you a special shout out, I want to see you in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that being said, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. I'm here for you. All right, so yeah, let's get to number one on today's list. So far, the first on our list is this Garnier vitamin C serum face cream. Now Garnier is a very good brand. Okay, all their products, all their range of products, all their body lotions, I've recommended their body lotions and this particular face cream now to a couple of people, and all I've gotten is positive results. So this particular Garnier vitamin C serum face cream is very good. It will help to brighten your face. It's going to like give you a shade brighter, not lighter. Okay, it's good. Okay, so those of you that are experiencing darker face, or some parts of your face are dark, like maybe your eye area, your mouth area, some areas of your face are having this dark shade. Okay, this is going to help to brighten up all those dark spots, all those dark lines on your face. And one thing with this cream is it is light. It is moisturizing, it is hydrating, but it is light. It's not all those face creams that when you apply it on your face, it will be like your face is heavy. No, it is actually lightweight on the face, but it is super moisturizing on your face. It's not going to leave your face dry after maybe some hours of usage or something like that. If you're already a fair person, now this particular one is going to be very cool for you. Or if you are chocolate, something like this, if you're anywhere like this, then this one will be good for you. But if you are dark, like your complexion is dark, then I am not sure this is going to be suitable for you, unless you want to brighten up your color a little bit. But this particular lotion is for people who have a bit of brightness, like a bit of fairness on their skin and on their face, you get. So this one is actually very good. Now the next one on my list is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C face cream. Okay, so now this one is actually very good. This one will help to brighten your face. Okay, this will brighten your face, and this one especially helps to reduce redness. It helps to reduce sensitivity on the skin. It helps to reduce inflammation, hyperpigmentation. Like this one is more of a repairing type of face cream. So if you are an aged person, like your age has come up a bit and you need a very good face cream for your face that will help in even reducing the appearance of wrinkles and all of that on your face, then this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C face cream is very good for you. Okay, so it will brighten dark spots, age spots, wrinkles, reduce redness, reduce sensitivity on the face. So it is actually very good for everybody, but also for those that their age has come up and all of that. So the third on our list is the Wonder face cream. That is the Face Fact Wonder face cream. Now this particular face cream is very nice. Like if you buy it once, you are going to love it. Like you will keep buying it. Anywhere you see this face cream, it is usually sold out because it is very good. Like this is one of Face Fact products that really works. But mind you, it is not Oshaprapra. It is not the one you wake up, rub today and you wake up tomorrow morning, your face is shining. No, this particular lotion gives you that soft face. It gives you that smooth face. It brightens every dark spot on your face. Okay, it just gives you this glow on your face. Like everybody I have seen use this particular face cream, they say a lot of good things about it, and people always go and rebuy this particular wonder face cream. So if you know you have tried different face creams to remove acne spots, dark spots, redness, hyperpigmentation, you should get this wonder face cream. It is actually very good. If you start using it over time, like in a space of weeks, you will start seeing visible results, good visible result though, not sharp results on your face. Okay, just like I said, these are very gentle, calming but effective face creams I have put together for you. Now the next on my list is the Nivea soft face cream. This chicken. So the next on my list is the Nivea soft face cream. Now this one is actually very nice, and it's for everybody, dark, caramel, fair, light skin color. It's not going to darken you. For those of us that are fair, this one is not going to darken you. It is only going to darken you if you are like, your face is fair because you have been using, like, your fairness is based on cream and all of that. Then that is when you are going to use this particular face cream, and maybe you have some, maybe your shade of color going down. But if you're naturally fair, if you are naturally caramel, dark and all of that, this particular face cream is super moisturizing. If you have dry skin on your face, on your neck, cranky skin, you know, it's not, your face is not smooth, it doesn't shine, you get, this Nivea soft is the best bet for you. I love it because it is generally for everybody, and is a cream that, you know, you can use anytime because it doesn't contain any harsh ingredient. Like, it doesn't contain any lightening ingredients per se. It's just a moisturizer and a hydrator, and that is what it perfectly does for you. So if you need a normal face cream, maybe you have your vitamin C face cream, retinol face cream, you know, and all of that, and you need a normal face cream like a base, then Nivea soft got you covered. Now the next one I'm going to be talking about is the snow whitening cream. Now leave the whitening, okay, those things are marketing. This lotion, this face cream is not a whitening face cream, it is just a brightening face cream. It is majorly an anti-aging cream because it contains collagen, it contains snail mucin. So this one helps in brightening the skin. Okay, this one in particular, I'm going to be truthful with you, is not going to target, maybe you have some targeted dark spots on your face. It might not do that for you. It might do it over time of usage, but you might not see like a bit of speedy results in brightening of dark spots and all of that. This particular one is just like an anti-aging cream. Okay, it's an anti-aging cream, it's a face repair cream, it's a face replenishing cream. You know, it's going to help to replenish your face, it's going to help to plump your face, it's going to help to smoothen your face, to give you that clear face. So if you have this cranked face, you are beginning to have wrinkles, you are beginning to have some, you know, saggy skin and all of that, this particular one is the best bet for you. So the next on my list is the simple moisturizing face cream. Now this list will not be complete without this particular simple moisturizing face cream. Like, they did a thing with this particular face cream. If you have used any of simple products and you don't like it, you cannot not like their face cream. It is super moisturizing, it is super hydrating. See, let me tell you, if you watch a lot of makeup people, a lot of makeup videos, okay, they use simple moisturizer to like apply on their client's face before applying the makeup on their clients, because it helps to lock in, it helps to, you know, it just gives this very smooth face. A lot of people with acne prone skin, okay, use this particular product, and it helps to improve the texture of their skin. So simple product or simple moisturizing face cream helps to improve the appearance of your face, it helps to smoothen your face, it helps to clear your face, it helps to lock in moisture. So if you're struggling with dry face, it's for actually every skin type, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, medium skin, everybody can use it. Okay, so if you have dry skin, you can use it because it's going to help you to lock in moisture. If you have oily skin also, you also need it because it helps you to lock in the moisture, so your face doesn't have the need to produce more oils, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, this one is actually a very good one, and I would totally recommend it, and anybody can use it, fair, dark, man, woman. Yes, it is plain, but it is actually very effective. Now the last on my list is also from Face Fact. It is the Face Fact vitamin C face cream. Now this one is that face cream that you can use if your face is very okay, but you just need a face cream for your face. Like maybe you are in those people's shoes that, you know, you've not been very consistent with a face cream before, you don't know a face cream to buy. You're not buying face cream because your face has any issue, but you just need a face cream. Face Fact Vitamin C face cream is for you. It doesn't do anything special. In my own take, it doesn't do anything special. It's just a gentle brightening moisturizer. Okay, it just helps to brighten your face. It just helps to give you that supple, smooth face. But majorly, it's just maintaining what you already have. It doesn't do a lot. Okay, so if you have dark spots, you know, you have things you want to treat on your face, this one might not be your go-to. Okay, this will be your go-to if you are buying it and then you are applying a more problem targeted face cream. So this can be a base. Okay, this can be a base. You apply it and then you apply another face cream that targets your face issue. So Face Fact Vitamin C face cream is just a normal vitamin C face cream, a normal moisturizer, a normal hydrator. Okay, someone reached out to me and told me that she has been using this particular face cream for a very long time and it's not working for her and all of that. So the point is, it's not that it's not working for you. The thing is that it is just a normal face cream. It is just a normal face cream. So it's just like getting Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream and expect it to do wonders on your face. It's just a normal plain face cream. Like I used it like several times and it didn't do much. Okay, it's just a normal face cream. All it does is to give you a brighter face, give you that glowy face, a smooth face that you already have. It helps you to maintain it, if that makes sense. It just takes you a step higher than what you already have. Okay, you are. So that's all the recommendation I have for you today. If you have used any of these face creams before, let us know in the comment section your experiences with them. Okay, so people that are making choices can also see your comments and, you know, it will help them to make better choices and all of that. So yeah, thank you for joining me on today's own review. And also remember to give this video a thumbs up. It helps to grow our family. We need more family members, don't you think so? So subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm going to see you on these videos right here. Let's continue our discussion. Okay.